Yeah, so hi, very good evening. My name is Ayush Swastav, and I'm here to present my DSA assignment, that is DSA Quest 11, Quest 12, in which basically I have to solve an easy level LeetCode problem, and I have to explain the approach that I've used to solve that problem. So let's start my video. Let me share my screen with you first of all. Yeah, so my screen is visible now. Now let's move on to the question. It says that DSA Quest 12 that I've already mentioned. It says that I have to solve an easy level LeetCode problem, and I have to basically explain the solution that what I've written and what is my approach in solving that question. Okay, so let's move on to the question. The question that I've selected is question number 217, contains duplicate. It is an easy level problem. It says that given and detailed array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. Very simple question. It says that there is an integral array nums that will contain several numbers. If any number has been appeared twice, at least twice, it means that if same number if a single number appears twice, like one biscuit, I will return true. Else, if every number is distinct in the array, I will return false. Like in this case, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1 has appeared twice, I return true. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every element is distinct, I have returned false. So there are various approaches in solving this question. There are several many approaches there. But I have used a very clever and simple approach, that is by using hash set. So we generally know that there is a property of hash set that only unique and distinct value gets stored into the hash set, and the duplicate or the value that appears more than one time will automatically gets deleted from it, and only the distinct value gets stored in the hash set. So what I have done is that I'll simply created hash set and stored all these numbers. Then I have compared the size of the hash set with the initial size of this nums. If the length or basically length or size of them are same, I will return false, because it means that uh, hash set when let's say uh, when I store all these numbers into hash set, I can simply see that all these numbers are distinct. So all these four numbers will be stored with the hash set. The size will of the hash set will be 4, and the size of the node is also 4. So when 4 is 4, when both are same, I can simply return false. That simply means that there are no duplicate numbers, or there are no such numbers that has appeared within the array. But in this case, 1, 2, 3, 1, when I try to store these numbers into the hash set, only 1, 2, 3 will be stored and not this one, because hash set will store only distinct numbers. So when hash set 1, 2, 3 will be stored, size of the hash set will be 3, but size of the nums will be 4. So both are unequal. I'll simply return 2. This is the case that I have used. Simply I have used for each loop integer value column. I have added taken the name of the hash set as set, and I have set dot add val, which will simply mean that I am adding all the values from the nums to the set hash set. Then I have created a condition that if set dot size equals to nums dot end, I will simply return false. This means that all the numbers are distinct, and else I will return true, which means that there are some duplicate numbers. So this is a very simple approach. Every Anybody can use or any different approach as well, but I have used this simple approach to solve the question. Yeah, so this is how the question has been solved. Thank you very much.